Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Potato rice. Mashing potatoes made easy. Don't you wish you can create perfectly smooth and fluffy mashed potato with less effort? With our Priority Chef Ricer Masher kitchen tool, you can achieve a creamy, heavenly dish quickly and conveniently. Simply squeeze on the long handle of our potato press for perfect mash. Large deep basket for quicker ricing. Holding a max capacity of 15 ounces, 3 mm ricer holes, you will have your mashed potatoes prepared quicker yet finer output than using other kitchen gadgets. You can also use it for other veggies like soft carrots, turnips, yams, and even use a baby food masher. Easy cleanup, top rack dishwasher safe. Crafted from 100% rust-proof materials, the Priority Chef Potato Ricer is resistant to stains, corrosion, and deformation. And with its non-stick material, the spuds will simply slide off. Any food residue is easily rinsed off with running water. It's easy to use and easy to clean. Hand blender. No more lumpy chunks. Equipped with a strength 1100W full copper motor, providing for several times significantly stronger blending and chopping capabilities in seconds to create velvety smooth puree results. Easy to use variable speed trigger design. With a pulse-activated sensor, just follow your intuition to control over the recipe and reduce splattering. Getting a switch from low to high speed quickly for easy pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping with just one touch. Effortless cleanup, scratch-free. Features a unique food-grade nylon blade guard designed to minimize suction, preventing scratches on your pots and pans and keeping splashes at bay for a cleaner kitchen and hassle-free cleanup. Comfort at its best. Stylish and ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. A perfect gift for mom, grandparents, camper, or all the food lovers on housewarming parties, weddings, birthdays, Thanksgiving Day, and Christmas. Cheese grater. Makes everything simple. Just forget your bagged cheese. Only turn the handle for several times and get fresh shredded cheese, cutting the food 12 times faster and saving more time. Go ahead for your favorite recipes with this cheese grater. Premium material. All parts of the rotary cheese grater are made of food-grade ABS material, no BPA. The 3 blades are made of stainless steel, never dull or rust. Our rotary grater provides safe choice and ensures you can enjoy healthy food. 3-option grater. The Parmesan cheese grater finishes food preparation with slicing, shredding, and grinding blade easily, which is perfect for grating cheese, cookie, peanuts, almonds, etc. for salad, hash brown, taco, smoothie, and so on. Easy to clean. This rotary cheese grater is detachable in all parts, making it simple to clean. Just wash it under a stream of water for a few seconds. Also top rack dishwasher safe. 2-slice toaster. 2-slice toaster for toasting 1 or 2 slices of bread at a time. 6 shade settings accommodate individual preferences. Extra wide slots for bagels and thicker slices. Each slot measures 5¼ inches long by 1¼ inches wide. Bagel setting for toasting just the cut side. Frozen setting for defrosting bread. Cancel function ends the session at any time. Buttons illuminate to indicate selected settings. Extra lift lever for safely removing smaller pieces. 37-inch power cord when routed out the back. Cord wrap when not in use. Removable crumb tray located in the back for easy cleaning. Product dimensions. Approximately 11 into 6.5 into 7.5 inches. LXWXH. Manual can opener. Strong and powerful stainless steel blade. Finally, a more powerful can opener. Sharp and durable 100% stainless steel cutting wheel will easily puncture all types of cans. Rust-resistant for long-lasting use. Heavy-duty construction for easier opening. Effortless can opening is here. The can opener features an extra large turn knob that allows you to easily open the can with little effort, so you work with the motion instead of against it. Also includes stainless steel construction for a seamless cut and oversized handles that make for an easier grip. Extra smooth cut. The can opener easily latches to the lip of your cans and locks securely in place to help provide a clean, smooth, continuous cut. Kitchen knife set. All-in-one kitchen set. 15-piece knife set includes 8 chef's knife, 8 slicing knife, 7 Santoka knife, 8 serrated bread knife, 5 utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, 6 4.5 serrated steak knives, 1 kitchen shear and hardwood knife block with built-in knife sharpener. High performance. Hunter Dual Kitchen Knife Set is stain and rust resistant and can be used with high frequency or after long periods of inactivity to fully utilize the life of the knives. Non-stick rust resistant. With a black coating that prevents oxidation of the steel, the kitchen knife set will last a long time and remain non-stick and rust resistant. Dishwasher safe. The knife set can be washed in the dishwasher, easy and quick to operate, and dry the knife set after cleaning for easy storage, not taking up space. Electric hot pot. Multifunction electric pot. Uliki Hot Pot Electric is equipped with dual power regulation functions, 300W and 600W. You can choose the desired power freely. At 300W power, the rapid ramen cooker is perfect to make oatmeal, spaghetti, and eggs. When you cook soup or hot pot, you can switch to the high power of 600W. The Shabu Shabu pot can provide you with a variety of choices for your daily meals. Easy to clean and non-stick coating. The surface of the noodle cooker is made of a food-grade non-stick coating, which can keep food from sticking, which can cook healthy food with less oil. After cooking, the surface of the portable electric hot pot can be easily cleaned with water and a sponge to meet all your expectations of deliciousness. Meat tenderizer. Texturized surface. One of the side surface is textured for optimum use on a variety of meats. Smooth side included. The opposite side of the meat tenderizer is smooth for pounding and flattening for cutlets. Aluminum construction. Aluminum construction provides a lightweight, strong, and durable tool for the kitchen. Multiple storage options. There is a hole in the ergonomic handle that gives you the option for convenient hanging storage. Easy care. Hand wash with warm water and a mild detergent. Rinse and dry immediately. Pancake batter dispenser. Batter up. KP Kitchen proudly presents to you our durable and reliable pancake dispenser cupcake batter dispenser. Made entirely of high-quality BPA-free plastic, this easy-to-use 4-cup capacity pourer is designed with a wide mouth opening, making filling it up a breeze, and the quick close valve makes pouring the perfect pancake like a pro seem like child's play. New updated design to prevent breaking. Our redesigned pulley handle has been repositioned to ensure quality and durability. In short, IT won't break. So squeeze away pancake after pancake. Not to mention our fail-safe valve doesn't leak, leaving your hands and kitchen clean and making it safe to use by your little kids. Best of all, it's 3/4 inch wide, allowing for chunky muffin mix to slide through easy breezy. Kitchen tongs set. Food-level stainless steel. The heavy-duty Hotech kitchen tongs built with stainless steel, sturdy, heat resistance, anti-rust, anti-corrosion, lightweight, easy to handle, like new forever. This tongs for cooking comes with a set of 2 standard 9 cooking tongs and large-sized 12 barbecue grill tongs. Food safe, carbon-free certified. Pull ring lock and unlock and hanging loop. This kitchen tongs set has locking mechanism. Pull the ring for lock and push for unlock, super easy operation. Hang them with the hanging loop after use or put in the drawer by pulling the ring to lock it, space saving. Engineering for safety. New design pattern for the handle. Better protects your hands from cutting by the edge when you grip the handle. Easy to control the handle and to eliminate wobbling any risk of burning your hands.